teacher Molly from Sunflower Hill. Thank you for joining me as we make sweetened agave lemonade. Throughout this video, you will see myself and my two sons, Jacob and Benjamin. As you can see, Jacob and I have everything laid out and ready to go on our workspace. Jacob, are you ready to help me tell what everything is? You will need measuring cup that has at least a half a cup and 3/4 in it, or separate cups. Jacob, what's this?
Spoon.
Stirring spoon. Do you know what this is called? Juicer.
A juicer.
Yep, what's that?
A cutter. That cuts the melon.
A knife for cutting the lemon. And what's this called?
A
Cutting board.
A cutting board.
Now on to our ingredients that you'll need. Your pitcher full of a quarter of water.
I accidentally lost your face there.
You will need what's this, Jacob?
Lemon.
And
Lemon
lemon juice. You can use either one. And light agave syrup. And we're ready to begin. The first thing you're going to do if you're using a real lemon is to cut it in half. Should we do it, Jacob?
Yes.
Okay. Now we are going to juice it. So Jacob, go ahead and start juicing. He turns it quite a bit and he tries to hold it nice and steady. Great work, Jacob. I can really smell that yummy lemon smell too. Great job, a little bit more. Once you've measured out a half a cup of lemon juice, pour it into your pitcher. Now stir it for about 15 seconds before adding the agave. I'm going to put in 3/4 a cup of agave into our measuring cup. Once you have 3/4 a cup measured out, pour it into the pitcher. Now mix everything together for about a minute. Let it rest, then stir it again until the agave is completely dissolved. Now, Ben will put a tray of ice in the pitcher so that our sweetened agave lemonade is nice and cold. Well, Jacob and Ben are taste testing it. Let's see what they think of it. It looks like Ben really likes it. It looks like Jacob really likes it. Let us know what you think of it in the comment section below. In closing, here are some pictures of students from Livermore Valley Joint Unified School District Adult Transition Program making the lemonade in our garden. Thank you so much for joining us and have a wonderful day.